In this video, I'm going to show you how to check maximum capacity of your battery on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down until you find Battery, and here just tap at Battery Health. Now there you can find maximum capacity. For my device it's 97% for now. This is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. My device is about 1 or 2 years old and my maximum capacity was reduced, as you can see, and in that simple way you can check maximum capacity on your device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.